This is a video for Pre-Calculus, Chapter 1, Section 6. I'm going to go over 3 problems that were asked for. The first one was problem number 7. You were to come up with an expression that tells us the sum of 3 consecutive integers, where n is the first integer. So, just as an example, these are 3 consecutive integers, 5, 6, and 7, so you could add those up. These are 3 more consecutive integers, 18, 19, 20. These are also consecutive integers, negative 32, which is the smallest, and then it's negative 31, and then negative 30. So what's the pattern? The pattern is you had some first integer, and then you went up by 1, and then you went up another 1, which would get you to n plus 2. So we want the sum of those 3 integers, and we get 3n plus 2. The second problem sounds almost the same, except for right here it says instead of n being the first integer, we want n to be the middle integer. So if we have those 3 integers and we place n in the middle, we say, well, what would have come before n? And that would have been n minus 1. What comes after n would be n plus 1. Adding those 3 together, you get 3n. So the sum of 3 consecutive integers, where n is the middle integer, is 3n. The third problem, number 15, says the distance in miles that a car travels in 45 minutes, where s is the speed of the car in miles per hour. And I highlighted those because this is the key in this problem. These units must match. You either have to have your entire problem dealing with minutes, or you have to deal with the whole problem in hours. So you can't leave, and I'm going to change the minutes to hours, because 45 minutes is 3/4 of an hour, or 0.75 of an hour. And we know that speed times time equals our distance, and so we would do s, which is our speed, times our time, which is now in hours, 0.75, and that's going to give us our distance. So the final answer here is the car will travel 0.75 s miles in 45 minutes.